In this short video, I'm going to show you how to upload documents in DeepSeek. After opening DeepSeek message or chat, just tap on this plus icon and here select document. And now from this menu, you have to select documents. And now from your device, go ahead and select the document that you want to send to DeepSeek and tap on select. And here we can see the document uploading. Once uploaded, just tap on send and the document will be sent to DeepSeek. And here we can see DeepSeek.AI is now showing information about the document I sent. So that's how you can actually do it. Thanks for watching.